Confused about how to get started with making money online? Read this advice. Learning how to make money online is something that many people today are searching for to help supplement their income. It can be a simple way to put a few extra bucks in your pocket, or if you're lucky, it can earn you a great living. Either way, there is something for everyone to learn with the tips in the following video, so keep watching. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Surveys are a great option. There are many out there. They can really help you earn extra money. However, they usually don't pay much. Yet it is simple to perform these tasks during your free time. Over time, this revenue accrues nicely. Enter contests and sweepstakes. By just entering one contest, your odds aren't great. Your odds are substantially better, however, when you enter multiple contests regularly. Taking a little time to enter a few free contests daily could really pay off in the future. Make a new email account just for this purpose. You don't want your inbox overflowing with spam. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Make sure you are earning money from several different sources. Nothing is a given in the online world. You may have something that pays well one day and not the next. It's best to have a variety of income streams. That way, if one of them starts to fail, you'll still have the others to fall back on. As you can see from the above video, it is easy to understand how to make money online when you get the knowledge through great tips. You can join the millions of people worldwide who make money each day, if you pay close attention to the tips that you have just read. Making money online is a skill, and if you continue to study good tips and ideas such as these, there is no reason why you cannot make lots of money online. Student loan.